Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to build a Notion website. First, open Notion and create a brand new page. This will be the foundation of your website. Next, populate this page with all the content you want to share using Notion's flexible block system. Think of it as your canvas. Finally, and this is crucial, navigate to the Share menu at the top right and toggle Share to Web to On. This makes your page publicly accessible, a vital first step for any website. Now, let's talk design. Notion offers a rich set of blocks to bring your content to life. Use headings to structure your information, add engaging images, and embed videos or other media to make your site dynamic. Consider creating a simple navigation system, perhaps with linked pages or a table of contents, especially for larger sites. A consistent visual style, using similar fonts and colors, will give your Notion website a polished and professional feel. To truly publish your Notion page as a website, you'll want to use a third-party service. Tools like Super or Popsy specialize in turning Notion pages into fast, SEO-friendly websites. After signing up, you'll typically paste your Notion page's public URL into their platform. The real magic happens when you connect your own custom domain, like your website.com, giving your site a professional and memorable address. These services often provide additional customization options and analytics, elevating your Notion site significantly. Finally, let's talk about enhancing and optimizing your new Notion website. Many third-party platforms allow you to add custom meta titles and descriptions, which are crucial for search engine optimization, helping people find your site. Regularly updating your content keeps your audience coming back for more. Also, consider integrating analytics tools to understand how visitors interact with your site. This data, like page views and bounce rates, can provide valuable insights, helping you refine and improve your Notion website over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.